Hi, welcome to Bedtime Stories. My name is Nicole, and I'm your host. I appreciate your company tonight. Tonight's story is Mocha's Magical Christmas. If you enjoyed my story, please bookmark, follow, and share. Your support is appreciated. On a cold winter night, Mocha, the little cat, lay nestled in a pile of soft blankets, watching as delicate snowflakes gently descended outside the window. Mocha's big eyes were fixed on the winter scene, filled with curiosity and anticipation for her first Christmas. This was Mocha's inaugural experience of Christmas, and she had heard that it was a magical and heartwarming time. Mocha couldn't help but imagine Santa Claus riding his sleigh, pulled by reindeer, leaving behind a trail of colorful lights in the night sky. In Mocha's home, the rooms were adorned with vibrant fairy lights, and the air was filled with the enticing aroma of sweet treats. The scent of gingerbread, cake, and apple pies wafted through the house, making Mocha even more eager for the arrival of Christmas Eve. With the company of her family, Mocha took part in decorating the Christmas tree. The little cat skillfully waved her paws, adorning the tree with colorful baubles, bells, and tiny stars. Climbing onto the tree's branches, Mocha tried to reach the star on top, creating laughter among her family. On Christmas Eve, Mocha set up a small tent on the windowsill, hoping to catch a glimpse of Santa Claus during the night. Excitement filled her heart as she imagined the magical sight that awaited her. Mocha meticulously groomed her fur, not wanting to leave a bad impression on Santa. When the midnight chimes rang out, Mocha suddenly heard the faint jingling of bells outside. Excitedly, she leaped off the bed and rushed to the window. In the snowy night sky, Mocha saw a figure in a red robe steering a dazzling sleigh. "Santa Claus is here," Mocha exclaimed, and her family quickly gathered by the window. Santa Claus, with a kind wave toward Mocha, seemed to know she had been eagerly anticipating this moment. To express gratitude for Mocha's good behavior throughout the year, Santa Claus pulled out a gift from his big sack. Mocha eagerly tore open the wrapping paper to find a soft toy mouse inside. Overjoyed, Mocha clutched her gift, playfully batting at it with her small paws, as if greeting a new friend. Throughout Christmas, Mocha immersed herself in the joyful atmosphere. The family sat by the fireplace, sharing a Christmas feast, while Mocha lay in a cozy corner, quietly savoring the happiness around her. On Christmas morning, as Mocha awoke from her dreams, she sensed a fresh scent of pine in the air. Following the fragrance, she discovered her family gathered around the Christmas stockings, sharing a festive breakfast. Throughout the winter, Mocha cherished memories of that special Christmas. Whenever she saw snowflakes falling outside her window, she would reminisce about the magical encounter with Santa Claus, feeling the warmth in her heart. Since that day, Mocha held a deep affection for Christmas. Every year on Christmas Eve, she would set up a small tent by the window, eagerly awaiting the arrival of the red-robed old man, hoping for new blessings and warmth.